Well, keep tossing your ball until you reach there. You might be in an environment that looks to be so conducive, and you feel like now everything is settled, and you feel I can do anything. Keep tossing your ball until you reach there. Because when you are in the playground, even if you are still in the middle and no one is attacking you, kicking the ball from there are high chances that it might go outside the goalpost. That's why people keep on tossing until you reach nearby the goalpost. Then you are sure that your last kick will give you a score. So when you are in the middle, even when other players are attacking you, you cannot just, whoever gets the ball kicks direct and wants to score. No, that's why you need to give the ball to another. You need to give it to a friend who is better than you. You need to give it to a friend who is nearby. So when your friend scores, the team has won. And that's a credit to all of you. So keep tossing your ball. You might not be the one who is actually responsible for your success. You might not be the one who will create success for yourself. You might be an agent of your success. Someone else who is better than you could be the person who will do something or implement your goals to succeed in anything that you are planning to do. Involve other people at some stage. See people who are better than you. Learn from them and trust them. Believe in them, trust them, work with them, help them. Because your goal, you could be having your ball, trying to toss it, but you are not nearby the goalpost. And if you try to kick it from where you are, there are high chances it might go outside. But there's a friend who is nearby the goalpost. So to be assured of the score, share the responsibilities. Give your ball to your neighbor to score on your behalf. Success cannot come directly to us by getting involved in everything that we have to do on our own. You need to involve some other people. You need to involve some other stakeholders who are better than you. And working together is success achieved earlier and faster. So we need to learn how to associate with other people, engage with other people, look for people who are better than us for the purposes of benefiting from them, not just looking at them and see how are we struggling to be better than them. Because we can't do everything on our own. So keep tossing your ball, but when you see an opportunity of giving it to another person to score it on your behalf, remove the burden from you. You might find even your effort that you put in to struggle and reach the goalpost, you do not have the capacity to score. You'll find the goalkeeper is smarter than you. That's why you need to entrust the people who are there always nearby the goalpost. They know the tricks of scoring. Entrust in people. Ask for advice. You cannot do everything on your own. We can't. When you are sick, you can't go to the hospital and prescribe medication on your own. You can't. There is someone you trust to work on you. That same applies to all fields of life. We cannot know everything. There is someone who always knows better than us. When you entrust in them, they will help you to kick the last part of your goal and you'll succeed. So keep tossing your ball. But when you see an opportunity of someone scoring on your behalf, entrust them, believe in them, and give them the responsibility to do the needful for you. Remove the burden from yourself. Because sometimes when you actually embed all the burden on yourself, it kills other chances of developing other new ideas. It kills all those opportunities because you are stuck, you'll always be stuck on one move. Involve other people to help you in the process. Never be ashamed to ask for help. because no one knows everything and there's no one who knows nothing. Everyone among us has something. There is something that you can do and other people cannot. And indeed, there is something that you have, other people, they don't have. There is something that other people can do and you can't do. And there is something that other people have and you don't have. And that's the best reason that they can give you to make sure that you have to entrust on other people in order to take a step in life. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly hit like and subscribe. Enjoy hundreds of more life tips on this channel. Bye-bye.